account models and types of BTP accounts, and so what are the offering services from the SAP side here, right? So as we know, BTP, right? Business Technology Platform. It's a platform SAP providing to the customers to build their applications, to integrate, right, to automate for analytics purpose, for databases. So there are the multiple technology portfolios SAP offering, and we can integrate all this development, automation, data, analytics. So all those intelligence, everything. So we can integrate our applications, or we can build the applications also here, right? So and also this is a platform as a service based concept here, PaaS, platform as a service based concept here. So this platform allows users to turn the data into business value, so that end-to-end business process, right? Entire IT landscape, we can connect whatever the BTP is providing, the tools, technologies, we can connect to the IT landscape, we can personalize, we can build, we can extend the SAP applications and everything here, right? So we can build. So here, if we talk about the structure of account structure of the BTP here, if you see, we have the global account. This is the top level entity of the global account here. Under the global account, we need to use the sub accounts here, right? We need to create a sub accounts. Then we have a cloud connector, and we have a on premises or private network. We have the SAP systems here. So this is the entire structure of the BTP here, right? So cloud connector here. Then this is the sub account here, and this is the global account here, right? So this sub account and everything is in the SAP network zone, public network zone here. Then so this is in the your cloud connector and on premises in the SAP, our customer network zone here, customer network zone here, right? So this global account to sub accounts, you need to derive it. You need to derive it means you have to create it here, right? So if you want to create the multiple sub accounts, you need to create based upon the business. So based upon the your on-premises IT landscape or anything, you need to create the so multiple sub accounts. You need to create it here. Suppose example, one is the development, second one is the quality, the third one is called the production sub account. How we have the on premises landscape like dev, quality, production. Similarly, we can create the so multiple sub accounts, we can create it here. So there is no limitations to create the sub accounts. We can create the multiple sub accounts here, right? So multiple sub accounts we can create it here. So there, but global account is only one for the customer, right? Global account is only one for the customer here, right? So these sub accounts are the business accounts here, not the global account. Sub accounts are the business accounts where actually we subscribe the all the services, tools, databases into the in the sub account level. We use the services here. That's why sub accounts are the business accounts here, right? So then the sub accounts we need to integrate into the cloud connector from SAP systems to the cloud connector. In this way, the end-to-end connectivity we have to use it. Either you have to use the one cloud connector for all, or so multiple cloud connector for the so the non-production systems, non-prod will be in the one cloud connector, non-prod will be in the one cloud connector, only production will be in the one cloud connector. How you want to manage that, we can manage it. This is entirely our customer network, customer landscape here. This is the BTP landscape here. So why cloud connectors are required means the high level. So the BTP, the cloud applications can talk to the on-premises via cloud connectors only. So here the cloud connectors will play the very important role here. In case of the cloud connector is down or something, some broken happens here, and take the connectivity between the your cloud services to the on-prem systems, cloud to on-prem, so this will be gone. Means your connection is lost. There is no communication between the cloud applications to on premises. Then you may face the some business impact for the production systems here. Suppose like Ariba, success factor, anything if you are using in the sub accounts, so cloud connectors will play connect to the on premises systems to fetch the data, live data, and everything here. So that's the thing of the so cloud connectors here. Then we have the backend SAP landscape or the HANA landscape or non-SAP landscape. So yes, BTP is the cloud connectors, we can integrate it here, right? So here, the first thing which we are going to discuss about the global accounts, right? Global accounts here. So this global account. Why? Because this is the top level entity which we will get from SAP global account. This is the top level entity which we will get from the SAP. Okay. So what is mean by global account and where we will get, how we will get the global account here, right? So here we will get the global account in the BTP cockpit. There is a cockpit is called the BTP cockpit here. Okay, BTP cockpit. So what is mean by BTP cockpit here? What is mean by BTP cockpit here? So BTP cockpit is a web-based administration console. Web-based administration console used to manage the BTP services. It's a web-based administration console. This is used to manage the all the BTP related services, global accounts, sub accounts, services, applications, tools, everything we can manage under the BTP cockpit here. It's like kind of a control center. BTP cockpit is like a control center. We can manage the sub accounts, runtime environment, security, usage, connectivity, deployment, integration, databases, like quotas, users, all the information we have to manage it here. So companies use the BTP cockpit to centralized management, manage the all the global accounts, sub accounts, and everything. They will use it here. Security related operations, connectivity, destinations, deployment, everything we can manage it here. So why? Because to manage the global account and sub account to access and everything, so via BTP cockpit only we have to access it here. Via BTP cockpit only you have to access it here. So the URL for BTP cockpit is like a so HTTPS so cockpit dot BTP dot the cloud dot SAP. In case of this is for the so this is for the enterprise accounts. So trial accounts, the trial dot so HANA dot on demand.com, there is a URL will come. So it depends upon the account type, you will get the two URL. One is the trial URL, second one is the so BTP trial URL, and second one is the cockpit, like it kind of a enterprise account type of URL, you will get it out here, right? So everything we will manage from the BTP cockpit level, we will manage it here, right? So what you manage it here, global account, you will manage the global account here, right? So what is mean by global account here? Global account, the top level container provided by SAP when the customer sign up for the contract region accounts BTP. When the customer wants to the go with the BTP, SAP will be provided the one global account to you. Who will provide this global account? SAP will provide the global account to you when the customer sign ups for so BTP, sign up for the BTP, customer will provide the so this account they will provide it here, right? So which account? Global account. Global account is the realization of contract with you or your company has made with the SAP here. So this global account is used to manage the sub accounts. You use it to manage the services, quotas, plans, and everything. All the platform resources for global account, you can manage it from here, right? So SAP will provide the all the listed services. Means as per our agreement, you required this many services, right? As per the discovery center, you have the discovery center. In the discovery center, SAP, the discovery center, we will see the all the listed services. In the discovery center, we will see the all the listed services here, right? In the listed services, you will find out the so models, licensing, so regions and everything here. All those things available in the global account level. SAP responsible after you signing in as per your agreement, as per your payment, SAP will provide the one global account to you. Right, that global account is used to manage the sub accounts. Right, this is your responsibility. Hierarchy number two, you have to create it. Three, cloud connector, it's your responsibility. Four, then integration, then working on the tools, taking the subscription, so working on the configuration part. All these things are the our responsibility, customer responsibility. SAP will provide only global account to you. SAP will provide the so global account to you, right? So that's why global account is the realization of the contract with you or your company has made, right? So that will be used to manage the so everything. So global accounts are the region and environment independent. So it's not the region specific. Sir, EMEA region there is a separate global account. Sir, Asia users there is separate global account. So it's not like that. It's a independent of the region. Global account is like a independent of the region and environment. Environment here, right? Environment means set of services will run on that environment here, right? So within a global account, you can manage the all the sub accounts. So specific to the region, specific to the region, you will manage the all the regions here, right? So that is the one of the here. So BTP provide they are the different types of global account, different types of global account here. Now we know what is global account, which we will get from SAP. So as per the our licensing model and a list of services will be in the global account only here, right? Then what is global account me? So then types of global account here, they are the two types of global accounts we have. There are two types of global accounts you will get here, right? One is the so trial account. One is the trial account. Second one is the enterprise account here. Enterprise account here, right? One is the trial account. Second one is the enterprise account here, right? So what is mean by trial account and the trial account limitations here? The trial accounts limitations here. The type you choose during the pricing conditions usage of the resources, you will get the either trial accounts or enterprise accounts, you will get it out here. So which means both the UIs are same, but only thing is the so trial means there is some restrictions to use the full-fledged services. Suppose like SAP is providing the 86 or 87 services to you, then in the discovery center, normally if you go to the discovery center, if we go to the discovery center here, in the discovery center, the all the services, okay, all the services you will see in the discovery center here. So if you go to the services, BTP service, there is a service catalog here. You can see there the 84 services are available in the discovery center here. There the 84 services are available here. In that we have the above advanced and so there the services are available here. In that some services are available in the free tier, some services are not available in the free tier here, right? So but enterprise accounts will contain here in the trial account, you will see only free services only. Free services only. You can see here in the trial account, you will see only free services here, right? So that services, if you want to start using the services for free, you can use the trial accounts. In the trial accounts, you can use the benefits, and you can do the some personal POCs and everything. You can use it here. That you can see it the POCs here, but there is no support from SAP for the free services and everything here, right? So but we want to use the free plus paid services, then enterprise account you can use it here. Enterprise account you will get like free services as well as the paid services also you will get here. Paid services, which means as per the licensing model you will get paid services also, but trial account are limited to use only the free services only. Free services only you can they can use it here, right? So that is the so trial account here. So basically global account has two types. One is the trial account and enterprise account, depending upon your license. So if you want to do some POC, some personal exploration that time, so then you can use the trial accounts. You can use it here. Trial account, there is no support from SAP. There is no support from SAP trial accounts, right? So, and also there is no licensing model for the trial account. There is no licensing model for the trial account also. Why? Because it's a free. Then why again licensing for the trial account? So licensing model for the enterprise account. Trial account, we don't have any licensing model here. So the trial account in the BTP. So what is the a little bit talk about little bit more talk about the trial account here. So you can it's for free for 90 days only. The trial account, the limitation is free for 90 days. The services provided for the trial account allow restricted to use of the resources, services here, right? But the access is open. The access is open to everyone. The access is open to everyone here. The trial accounts are intended for the personal exploration and or non-productive testing here, right? And so only personal exploration and non-productive testing only here. Why? Because there are the terms and conditions. There are the BTP trials terms and conditions are applicable. We should do only for the non-productive testing and so evaluation of the services and all those things here, right? So trial accounts must not be used for the production usage, right? Must not be used for the production use here, right? So only learning purpose develop we can use it here, but should not use for the development. And also you are not permitted to use the trial account in the any productive and commercial manner. Trial means trial only, right? So personal exploration, everything is for not for the non-production development, so not for the commercial manner and everything here. So we can self-register the trial accounts. That is, I will explain how to self-register the trial accounts and everything here. Okay. So, and also the so if you see the sir, how can we identify the which services are free, which services are not free? Then if you go to the SAP Discovery Center here, so some services display the tag name is called the free tier, which indicates the service is offering for the free service plans. The free tier services plan means this is available in the trial account also here. Some services always tag like always free. There are the two tags here. Free tier, always free. Always free means which indicates service offering is comes with the free of additional charges. The additional charges also free. Always free. Okay. So and it's available in the contract. Free tier means it's available in the free tier plus some paid after that the consumption that limitation is over. Then you can see the calculator button. The consumption will start. The consumptions will start it here. Suppose like if you take the above system, right? Let's go to the above system here. Up to some level the pricing is free. Up to some level the pricing is free here, right? Up to 16 GB the block, if you use it, the it's zero. But if you use more than that, if you use the more than that here, then it will start consuming the memory and everything here. It start consuming the memory and sorry, in the pricing. You can see the pricing part also here, right? Depending upon the memory, it will start consuming here, right? So like that, just one service like that. So some services, so directly there is a calculator button, which means there is no free trial for this service. It's definitely you need to pay for this one here, right? Definitely you need to use the pay services here. So some services you can see always free. Some services, if you see, always free here. Always free means it's always free. There is no charges. That's why you can see simply there is no calculator button. There is no calculator button for this one here, right? So that is the main important stuff here, right? So calculator button. So some services always free and free tier. So in this way, by seeing the tag name free tier, which indicates the offering is free tier plans, and some tags like always free, which indicates like service offering is like a comes with the always free. There is no additional charges or nothing here. Okay, that is the main thing here, right? So this is the one. But what is the trial scope here, right? So trial scope here only 90 days license. And is it one or is there anything to discuss? Yes, we have other thing like so 90 days license also, the 90 days the trial period also divided into the two intervals here. If you sign into the your trial account regularly, the first 30 days here, it will be auto extended to the another. So another 90 days means or another 90 days trial period finished, it will be extended here, which means the first 30 days you need to regularly sign in one or two times. If you sign in, it will be auto extended to so till 90 days here, till 90 days it will be auto extended here, right? So what happens or if you don't sign in, right? If you don't sign into your trial account for the 30 days or more, then your account will be suspended. All the suspended accounts will be deleted. You won't able to use the applications or services. You won't able to use the applications and everything. First it will be suspended, then after some time, then immediately all the suspended accounts will be deleted. Whatever the data, whatever the services you are using, everything will be deleted. You won't be able to use the applications or services here, right? After the 90 days, your trial is account is automatically deleted. If you want to proactively delete your trial account, you can navigate to the there is an option to delete your delete trial account button. You can use it here. If you want to continue to use after 90 days also, after deletion also, you need to set the new account with the same email ID. Again, you need to use the new account here. If you want to explore BTP without time limit and everything, then go for the enterprise account. Go for the enterprise account here. So here you without any time limit, you can use the all the free services plans also. You can use it here. Why? Because enterprise account means what? It's a you can use the free services plus and also the paid services also you can use it here. But the trial account is only for to use the free services, and that is valid up to 90 days only, the trial. So, right? But the trial, there are some more restrictions, not only service level, not only number of days, and the trial is its trial is not available in the all the regions here. Only two regions the trial accounts are trial sub accounts are available. Sir, I want to test the my services in the US zone. I want to set the trial accounts in the GCP cloud, and that is not possible. Trial accounts are only available only few infrastructure providers. Here, SAP will operate the platform layer. Your infrastructure partners will operate the infrastructure layer. Infrastructure partners means your Azure, AWS, GCP, and SAP. They will operate the so this one. In that only AWS and the Azure, they are offering the free services here, right? So then only free accounts they are offering only these two infrastructure providers they are offering here. Maybe if you take the enterprise account, the all the infrastructure partners like AWS, so Azure and GCP and So we have the SAP data centers, all these infrastructure partners are, so they are providing the support here, right? So this is the one here, but here only the trial account and I want to use in the all the regions means, so it's not at all possible. Trial accounts only limited scopes. Limited means 90 days trial period. That 90 days also they have divided into two intervals, and also with respective to the infrastructure partners where it will they will provide the infrastructure to you. Only they are providing the two infrastructure partners, they are providing the trial period and everything here, right? And also the trial accounts includes 4 GB of 4 GB memory for the applications. Only they will provide the 4 GB memory for the applications here, right? So means it's not like that, sir. The trial account means we will get the hundreds of GBs means no, 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 no. It's only they will provided, they are providing the only, so only 4 GB of memory for applications they are providing here, right? So 4 GB for applications, 8 GB for instance memory, and 10 total routes. You will get it out. Total 40 total services. It's not like that all the services only. So free total 40 total services, 10 total routes. You will get it out. 8 GB for the instance memory and 4 GB for the applications will use that memory. And so this is the trial account, the limitations here, right? It's not like that completely 100% the trial accounts are free. So it's like a just, so it will get like a just 90 days only, but and two infrastructure partners they will support for this memory. They will provide you the 4 GB memory for the each BTP global account. They will provide the 4 GB memory for the applications, 8 GB instance memory, 10 total routes, total 40 services. They will provide you the total 40 services they will provide to the trial scope here. Okay, so that is the BTP. So global account we have two types here. So in this we will use this one here, right? So here, so there is no licensing model for the global account. There is no cost model, licensing model. There is nothing we do. So nothing, there is nothing here in the global account here, right? So it's a top level container that gives a customer, SAP gives a customer when they subscribe the BTP Business Technology Platform. In the, if you subscribe it, then you will get the SAP gives a customer this with the global account will give you the customer here. It represents our contract. It represent our commercial model. It represents overall the platform identity for the customer and everything here. It's a master account. We can say like global account or like a master account. It's a root level BTP account here, licensing and everything here, right? So, but there is no licensing model. Why? Because it's a, there are the two types of accounts here. Then they will provide you the, so trial accounts. The trial accounts, it's kind of some kind of education purpose, some kind of non-productive testing. So some kind of exploration purpose. We can use the this trial accounts. We can use it here. In the trial accounts, there are the limited number of free services are available, and there are the limited number of GB for memory, and services and validity is applicable for the this trial accounts here, right? So that is the main here global account here, right? It's a root, your BTP container, it's a root here, right? So then there are the some limitations for this one here. So here, how to get, what is the way to access the, what is the, how to get the BTP trial accounts here? First of all, what is the way to get the BTP trial account here? So there is a procedure. That procedure if you follow, then means we can itself self register the BTP trial accounts. There is a so way, so we can itself self register the trial accounts, but enterprise accounts we cannot self register. So it has to go with our account manager with SAP. Why? Because there is a licensing model. There are the types of licensing model that I will explain it. But so now you can see only, so this is the trial accounts, the trial limitations here. Okay, the trial accounts and trial limitations here. Then, so what about the enterprise accounts here? What about the enterprise account here? So enterprise accounts are usually associated with the SAP customer or partner contract, usually associated with the so enterprise account. The second level account is called the enterprise accounts here. Enterprise accounts are usually associated with the SAP customer or the partner contracts here, right? It contains their purchased entitlements to the platform resources and everything. We will get the purchased licenses and everything here. However, we can also use the enterprise accounts for the personal exploration plus business purpose. Also we can use this enterprise account here, right? So that is the enterprise account. It's a main features of the enterprise accounts, like so we can use the free services as I mentioned here, and you can also use the paid services, right? So enterprise account, you can subscribe it, and without any limitations also you can use the free services here. Then when you start using the paid services, when the consumption will be started, your billing starts when the consumption start. If you don't use the paid services, you are only using the free services, then your billing will not start. Your billing will come like a zero. Your billing will come like a zero here, right? That is called the enterprise accounts here, right? So enterprise accounts, we have the 24/7 support here, right? So enterprise global account that enable you to host the productive business critical applications with the 24/7 support here, right? You will get the SAP 24/7 support from SAP. If any issues while doing the configurations or anything, you have the support from SAP. So then you can purchase the global account like any software, how SAP software will purchase, same as like you can purchase the global account here, right? So you can switch between the one licensing model to another licensing model. You can switch. We can contact our sales representative, and so we can change our licensing model. We can tailor our whatever the needs we have. So we can change all the licensing and everything. We can choose it here, right? So and you will get from support from SAP. There is a way to if you contact this enterprise account, the registration, it will be depending upon the our SAP sales representative. Based upon the sales representative, then they will get. But trial account, we can immediately self registration is available, that we will get it out here. Only SAP enterprise accounts we have to contact via our company to sales representative, then they will get it here. Why? Because there is a licensing and there is a pricing and everything we have involved. So but trial account, we can self register the trial account and we can delete also. But enterprise accounts, once it is registered, then you cannot delete the, you cannot cancel the so the enterprise account by us. That cancellation by or our account executive only. The cancellation possible only account executive only here, right? So individually also we can, not only companies, individually also we can get the enterprise accounts, but so that, but there is a licensing model. Only thing is the licensing model is applicable for the this enterprise account here. Enterprise account, there is a licensing model here, right? So all will be in the global account. So here global accounts has the two types here, right? So one is the trial global account. Second one is the enterprise global account here, enterprise global account here, right? So this enterprise global account, normally companies means our organizations will use the enterprise account only. For why? Because they are using for the business accounts in the commercial manners and everything, right? So that purpose SAP provide the so these accounts to the customers and licensing model here, right? So from here you will see the list of services, whatever the services you have in the discovery center, all the listed services are available in the discovery center here. In the discovery center, you see the all the listed services here, right? These all are available. So why be free is available and the paid services, everything is available depending upon the licensing model. Licensing model means what? So every service, if you go to the here, then you can see the pricing tab in the pricing map, they have the licensing model here. There is a trial, and these are the enterprise account licensing model here. And also if you see the trial account, the trial accounts, so and the service plans, you can see free service plans available, standard plans also available, and also the regions concept here, in which regions the service is available, you can see it here. If you take the one service plan here, so then the service is available in the which service plans, and what are the regions it is available here, what are the regions it is available here. It will provide the all the information in the discovery center. In the discovery center, it will provide the all the details here, right? So which means global account is like a some kind of a, so the Tata group, suppose example, if you take the Tata group, okay, let's take the Tata group here. Tata group is like a global account here, company, it's represent to the our company here. In this Tata group, we have the multiple business units, like Tata Steel, Tata Motor, Tata Consultancy, Tata Electronics, and everything. So SAP might provide one global account to you, one global enterprise account to you. Suppose like Tata Group global account they are providing to you. In that global accounts, like maybe they can also provide the multiple global accounts also here, right? Tata Motors global account, Tata Steel global account, Tata TCS, so like multiple global accounts here. Each global account, again, they have the business entities, right? Then sub accounts we can create it here. Sub accounts we can create it. Then directories we can create it. Then we can use the, so here, right? So the main account you will get from SAP, under that you need to create your account structure. You need to create the your account structure like this here. Suppose like this is the Tata, then under that we have the business units. Like that we can create the multiple accounts, we can multiple structure of the accounts we can create it here in the BTP here, right? So this is about the global account here, realization of contract with the and with our company here. This is used to manage the sub accounts and remaining all the accounts, but global accounts are not the business accounts. Just as per the contract with your company, you will get the one global account to you, either trial account or enterprise account. Trial account, within now itself we can get the self register, but enterprise accounts, there is a licensing model for the enterprise accounts here. Okay, so so now maybe now enterprise accounts, right? Enterprise accounts, we are telling like there is a licensing model for the enterprise accounts and enterprise accounts, right? What are the licensing model for the enterprise accounts here, right? So I think that I will discuss tomorrow, because some people are joining and dropping, I see, and that I will discuss tomorrow. So only simple concept today, and tomorrow I will discuss about the licensing model. That is a very important concept. So why? Because that needs to understanding, and also I will explain about the BTP, how to get the BTP accounts here, what is the registration process and everything. I will explain it. So tomorrow we will target like we will complete the licensing model. First, a basic understanding is very important. Then, so licensing model, and we will discuss about the subscription of the BTP global account. So these things we can discuss. It's a lengthy topic, licensing model, that we will discuss. Then once the global account, everybody got the global account by tomorrow, so I will explain it. Then we can discuss about the remaining steps. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Questions, anyone?
Hi, this is Gautam.
Yes, yes.
So, I just wanted to know whether this course is suitable for my background or not. So,
That you can ping me on my number. So maybe we will have a call and we'll discuss.
okay, okay, yeah, sure.